how are you? What's up? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm talking about Ecash XEC coin, guys. What's going on? What's the right now price? What's the right now changes over in the Ecash? Let me show you guys. And we are also doing a technical analysis. We are trying to detect the next move of Ecash. What is coming soon in Ecash? So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so kindly I request everybody to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos. So guys, right now if we talk about the Ecash price right now in the market, so 0.000223 USD dollar, that is right now price of XEC coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Ecash, so a positive 1.43%. 1.43% changes occur in the XEC coin, guys. So the changes is going positive, and let me show you price chart that how was the chart going. Is there is a wow, congratulations, guys. You can see here now in the latest situation, EK's price is going to the moon, guys. You can see here, and you can see, guys, if you study the price chart of EK, so you found EK's price chart sometime dump, sometime pump, sometime dump, sometime pump. But in the right now situation, Ecash is going positive, so possibilities, guys, that for a long time XEC coin will continue this pump. And now, guys, after watching this price chart, my technical analysis is going positive. And now, guys, I'm sure about Ecash that Ecash will continue this pump for a long time, guys. Furthermore, if you look the price statistic update, so let me show you. You can see, guys, if you talk about the trading volume, a lot of people are investing in a Ecash because you can see here the price is very low, and other side the changes is positive. That's why people investing more and more in a Ecash coin, guys. 13% trading volume increase just in last 24 hours. So guys, now trading volume positive, that's mean that people buying more and more Ecash, and as a result of more buying possibilities, guys, that the price will pump. So that's why I recommend for everybody to please buy now Ecash coin and make a huge profit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.